So you're on your iPad and you download something, whether that's photos, videos, music, or maybe a PDF file like I'm doing here. And the next question is, where do these downloads actually go? Your iPad does have a downloads folder, but it can be kind of hard to find. Of course, if you're downloading something in Safari, like I'm doing here, you can tap the Downloads button, see the file you're downloading, and you can tap the little magnifying glass next to it to reveal the file in your Downloads folder. Once I tap the magnifying glass, I'll get taken directly into my Downloads folder, where I can see the file I just downloaded. Easy enough. But what if I don't have any recent downloads? If that's the case, we can navigate to the Downloads folder manually. The downloads on your iPad are located in the Files app, which looks like a blue folder on a white background. You can either locate the Files app on your home screen, or you can swipe down from the middle of your screen to activate the search, and then simply search for Files. Once you go in the Files app, you'll usually see the Recents tab at first. If you've recently downloaded files, they're most likely going to show up here. On the left side, you'll see different locations where your files live. On My iPad means the local storage on your iPad, and iCloud Drive is the cloud storage that can be accessed on multiple devices. Your Downloads folder can be in either location, but by default, it's usually under iCloud Drive. Mine is towards the bottom when I scroll down a bit, and it looks like the file that I just downloaded is still syncing in my iCloud Drive, causing this view to kind of jump as the folders keep updating. So, ignore the jumpy view. Here's my downloads and the document I just downloaded. So, to summarize, locate the Files app, look into iCloud Drive or local storage, and find your downloads there. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and before you bounce, subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.